on the camera? Hey, you said to turn on the camera because I don't know why. Today we're going to play I Am Cat. I Am Cat. Where's the VR? I didn't mean to do that. The VR headset. Sorry, I'm a bit cough. What happens if you get a cough? You might go to jail. Yeah, I don't know. What a meow! I'm gonna get a mole lover. What is a mole lover? I don't know. One. What was that sound effect? Grandma? Oh, sorry, Grandma. I didn't meant to do that because I don't know why. Bro, what? Bro, what did he say? Goodbye. So. Hold one again. No! Granny! Granny? No! Granny, I'm gonna sit here, okay? Come on, you're on my way, bro. You're actually on my way. Hey!
Well. What do we have here? Did you just call me a kitten?
Y'all, stop texting me, bruh. Why? You're on my way. Grandma, you're sleeping? Good girl. Oh, such a cute kitten. I want to adopt it. Oh, I'm gonna die of cuteness. Grandma! This is the loveliest kitten. I want to touch it. Let me touch it for a second. Stop laughing at me. I'm a TV. See, that's what I said. Don't laugh at me. I'm just a TV show. Those are my cute kittens. I love them. I'm dying of cuteness now. Not you, Grandma. Grandma, you're annoying. And you should die. Hi. Goodbye, Grandma. You suck. What do you mean like that? Scrabble? Monopoly? Amazon? Pineapple under the sea? Grandma? Why? Top 10 funniest moments in I Am Cat. Number 1. What do we have here?
Hey, my love. Phone, you damn extras. She's mine, dude. Now, give her phone back. You better not be some creepy perv.
Oh
I'm gonna beat your
no!
ass.
What can we do now?
Seriously.